Всем привет! Welcome back to Russian with Anastasia. And in today's lesson we're going to talk about такой and так. Do you want to know the difference? Then continue watching. So, такой and так both can be translated to English as so or as. Okay? They are also used in expressions такой же как and так как, which compare things and say that something has the similar quality as another thing. Okay, let's look at some examples. Мой дом такой же большой, как твой. My house is as big as yours. Такой, so, or as, big as yours. Такой же большой, как твой. Example with так. Я учусь так же хорошо, как ты. I study as well as you do. Так же хорошо, как ты. Here we used так же instead of такой же. Do you know why? Так же is used to describe adverbs. And well, хорошо, is an adverb. So that's why we used так же. Another example. Я бегаю так же быстро, как ты. I run as fast as you do. Быстро is an adverb. So that's why we used так же. Now let's go back to такой же как. Такой же has an ой ending, which is an ending of an adjective. Right, so такой же or такой is used before nouns and pronouns, just like adjectives are used. Мой дом такой же большой, как твой. We have ой ending because дом is masculine. Такой же большой. Такой большой, masculine ending ой. Another example. Моя квартира такая же большая, как твоя. My apartment is as big as yours. Apartment in Russian is квартира, feminine. That's why такая же and большая have ая endings, right? Another example. Это окно такое же большое, как то. This window is as big as that one. Window, окно is neuter, so большое, такое have ое endings. And what about plural? Эти книги такие же интересные, как те. These books are as interesting as those. Книги, plural, такие же интересные. Такие интересные have plural endings. Okay? So let's revise everything. Такой, такая, такое, такие are used before nouns and pronouns. Так is used before adverbs. Alright? I hope it was useful and I hope you learned something from this lesson. If you have any questions, leave them below in the comments and I'll see you in the next lesson. Пока-пока!